Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to export your messages or your conversations from your Microsoft Teams. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your Microsoft Teams web portal, or you can just go to your search engine or web browser here, and then you will need to search for this page. So basically all you need to do is to search for Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Teams, and search for export data, and then you will search to search either the support, or you can just find the support or the export page. So basically let's just go to the support or this page or Microsoft website, and here search for example here for export and delete contacts or messages, and here it will take you to the export page. So basically after you go to the support, it takes you to the export page, and then you will need to connect to your account. You will need to check the chat history, and also you can export the media if you want. Then you will click on submit request, and after that, when it will be submitted, it will your request will be sent to your email. So basically when your chat history will be ready, you will receive an email to tells you or that to notify you that you can uh, download all the chat history of your Microsoft Teams. After you do so, after you click in the link that they will send you, you will just click on it and it will automatically start downloading the chat history or all the old conversations that you had in your Microsoft Teams application. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.